This video is to help you install and test SavetheLogin. First, let me tell you how to install. Go to Chrome Web Store. Search for SavetheLogin in the Google Web Store. Click Add to Chrome and then click on Add extension to install. Let me tell you how to test. Click on SavetheLogin.world. Go to Try It on the top of the page. There are two login tests, HTTP and HTTPS. Now I will test account in HTTP. Put ID and password in test page. And click on Login button. Now HTTP is normally detected by our extension as a plaintext transmission. I will test again in HTTPS. You can see that HTTPS is not detected because it is encrypted. For more information, visit our website, SavetheLogin.world. Thank you.